I don't know how the phone turned off if I accidentally pressed the button, but here I got a Throw phone intake. This is the antennas that we got. Well, this is on the TV. The phones are all white there if you push it more. They're going to turn white if you push it. The tank is full of water and they're push it. And I had a heart attack when I first saw this. So my 1937 Seder bombs with bird storm because I had a heart attack when I first saw it. And when the mom was at the store, I stayed in the car because I was so angry. So I asked her to get me water, but she got me a mango. So like calm down after drinking it. Here's the bowl. We're gonna bring this somewhere. We're gonna take this in 1 or 2 days. The wax ring is gone. I cleaned it off. Now let's get back to the tank. That house right there that they tore down over there. If you want me, I can do a video. I saw that, turned my head, like whoa, and I immediately ran to that cadet. It was so close to the house just getting torn down. I saw the house when they just first started demolishing it. They were probably just going over on the street. And the moment of truth. No, falls off. The lid was made on May 25th, 1952. The tank is June 11th, 1982. Two officers was open real long day. Hold on, let me just get the chain back. I gotta check this camera or something. Phone's I need the light. I need the light. I'm gonna leave it here on the faucet. This is like a good job. Keep going. Just keep going. Sucks. This sucks. This is my favorite cadet, and I'm having kind of upset right now too because of this. Okay, put it on. Let's redo it. It's really not so fun. I'm gonna be getting the bowl soon. This tank is not going out to the street anymore. Later on, this tank goes into the house. I'm gonna make it away my cookie tank. My uncle that is a soccer player. I think there's four people at the soccer that can use the tank. Yeah, I can sell it. If any of you want it, contact me. I'll give you the lid. And then, that's a TV in the job installed. The student after 400 a day was like from 2007 when my cousin's apartment that has a Kohler Caroline right now, and it's just like this, you know, the same type of apartment. Then I got this level for sure that my dad installed that level for sure broken Mansfield also that had problems. I was still little, 5 years old. I don't remember what the problems were. So we bought a complete repair kit too, and that's the tool that came. It's really cool. The one right here. Put that in. Let's put that in. Now let's flush it. And now I'll publish it. Sucks when I can't just get this thing to work, because I got it to work earlier today when I first got this thing. I just got this thing today. Yeah, I'm going to see it off. I'm going to leave it placing. It's going to get off. So, I'll get another handle for my collection.